Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Right? Are you ready for our English class? Yes? Everybody ready? Okay, so let's start our class. What was the topic yesterday which we were doing? Yes? Yesterday we were doing the topic nouns. Right? Let's revise. What are nouns? Yes, nouns are naming words. Okay. Can you give me the definition of noun? Open up your books. You have written down the definition yesterday. Yes. Try to read it. What is noun? We had written down the definition yesterday. Yes. Try to see the definition. Yes. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Right. So yesterday we had learned that what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, animal or a thing. And I told you to play game with your friends, with your parents. Name, place, animal, thing, person, place, animal, thing, and give one alphabet, and according to it you have to make the names, identify the names and then give marks. Yes? Okay. Then later on we studied the two types of noun. Yes? Types of noun. Two types of noun. Proper noun and common noun. Yes, we had learned two types of noun, that is proper noun and common noun. Now what is a proper noun? Yes, name of a special person, place, animal or a thing, right? And rule is proper noun always starts with a capital letter, right? So it always starts with a capital letter. Common noun are common nouns which are common, which are names given to a group or common things, right? For example, yes, can you give me some examples? Pencil which you are having in your hand, the pencil which you are holding, the copy book which you have, that is a common noun. Myself, who am I? I am a teacher. So teacher is a common noun, right? What else? Can you identify what am I holding in my hand? A pen. Pen is a common noun. What is this? This is a duster. So a duster is a common noun. So yesterday we did common noun and proper noun, and moving further, today what we are going to do is an exercise on common nouns and proper nouns, right? So what are we going to do? Exercise. Now your fancy book, right? This is your fancy book. Open up to page number 15. Page number 15. Yes? Have you all opened? Page number 15. The exercise is given. There you have to pick out the common noun and proper noun, right? You have to pick out the common noun and the proper noun. The first sentence is, what is the first sentence? Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Right? Now, the very first thing which you are going to do is identify the nouns. Correct? Now, what are nouns? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So, let's identify the nouns from this sentence. Yes, Mumbai city. Correct. So, these are the two nouns in this sentence. The sentence is Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Now, we will write down Mumbai. Yes. Is Mumbai a unique name? Is it a special name given to a city? City, शहर. किसी शहर का नाम मुंबई है? Yes. So accordingly, we identify that Mumbai is a special name and Mumbai is a proper noun. Correct? Now we come to city. City यानी शहर. बहुत सारे शहर हैं हमारे इंडिया में, right? We have many cities in our country. Yes, and Mumbai is one such city. So city is, there are many cities and city is a common noun. What is city? City is a common noun. Right? And my answer is complete. This is how you are going to do it in your grammar book. Here there is very little space given and it will be difficult for you to write. So we will be doing it in our grammar book. Right? Are you all writing with me? Yes? Have you written down? Shall we move on to the next sentence? All those who have finished writing, read the second sentence. What is the second sentence? Ashoka was a great king. Now try to identify the noun in it. By the time our friends are doing the sentence, and if you have finished, try to do the next sentence. Yes, Ashoka was a great king. Hope everybody has finished. The next sentence is Ashoka was a great king. Who was Ashoka? Ashoka was a great king. Now the second sentence is Ashoka was a great king. Now the very first thing you have to do is identify the nouns. Ashoka, yes. Ashoka is a name of a person. King. King is also a name given to a person. Raja, right? Now, we will write down Ashoka. A-S-H-O-K-A. Ashoka. Now we have to identify the noun. Which noun is it? Is it a common noun or a proper noun? What do you mean by king? King means a raja. बहुत सारे राजा होते हैं, right? There are many kings. So, king is a common noun. And what about Ashoka? Ashoka is a name given to one king. So, he is a special person, special king. So, we are going to write it as proper noun. Right? And the answer is complete. Isn't it easy? Yes? Are you finding it easy? Yes? By the time children are writing, whoever is writing, let him write. You wait for him. Try to read the next sentence. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Right? Now, we have to underline the noun. Yes, Delhi, name of a place. India, name of a country. Right? Now we'll write down Delhi Yes, Delhi is a special name given to a place. So Delhi is a proper noun. And India is a special name given to a country. There are many countries in the world and India is one such country among them. So here now India is also a special name, unique name, and it is also a proper noun, right? So in a sentence there may be both the nouns which may be proper, both the nouns which may be common. It is not necessary that a sentence may have both a proper noun or a common noun, right? Complete your work, children. See, you have to write in a proper writing, good writing. Okay, let's read the next sentence. That is, cricket is a popular game. Popular, mashhoor. Correct? So, cricket is a popular game. Let's move on to sentence number 4. That is, yes, cricket is a popular, P-O-P, pop, L-A-R, popular game. Right. Now we have to identify the nouns. Cricket, yes. One more, game. So, cricket is a popular game, right? So, cricket, proper noun. Game, common noun. Yes, there are many games and out of those games, cricket is one such special game, right? Moving on to the next sentence, sentence number 5, that is Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams Sunita Williams is an astronaut. Is an right. So Sunita Williams is an astronaut. एस्ट्रोनॉट मतलब जो स्पेस की स्टडी करते हैं, जो स्पेस में जाते हैं, राइट? नाउ सुनीता विलियम्स, यस, वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरलाइन सुनीता विलियम्स एंड एस्ट्रोनॉट. देयर आर मेनी एस्ट्रोनॉट्स. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग, ही वाज also an astronaut. He was the first astronaut to land on the moon, and Rakesh Sharma was the Indian astronaut to land on the moon, first person. And Sunita Williams also, she also went in the space, right? She is also an Indian. Okay. So next, Sunita Williams. Proper noun. Then astronaut. Astronaut, yes, astronaut is a common noun. Okay, done. Turn the page. Yes, have you all turned the page? Now in the next exercise which we have to do is write the names Write the given words under the picture. What you have to do is, the pictures are given and there you have to write down the names. Now see the first picture. What is the first picture of? What can you see in the first picture? Yes. Raja dikh raha hai? Right? What do we call? Yes, it is the king. So here the names are given. You can see. See here children, in the box the names are given. You have to identify the names and you have to write down. So this you are going to do it in homework, right? And then put the above nouns in the correct box. Now see, this is your exercise which you have to do. Very important. These are the names you are going to write down and then you will identify them as people, places, animal and thing, right? So I hope you will enjoy this exercise doing at home, and so I'm not doing it on the board, and then when in our next period I will do this exercise on the board and you can check your work along with me, right? And today we are going to move on the next topic, that is collective nouns. What is the next topic? Collective nouns, okay? So the next topic which we are going to do today is collective nouns. This is the third type of noun. We had done two types of noun and this is the third type. So now my flow chart will become like this. Nouns are divided into three parts, that is proper noun, common noun, and the third type of noun is collective noun. Collective noun. Right? Now, a proper noun, it's a unique name, right? Unique name, special name, and it starts with a capital letter. Common noun is a name given to a common group, right? And a collective noun. Now what is a collective noun? For lots of things together we give some special name, and that special name is called a collective noun. For example, a group of birds. Now there are many birds flying together. So we cannot count the birds. We cannot give a special name to the birds. So what do? We give a word to a group, and that group is known as a collective noun. Collective means a name given to a collection of things. What is collective noun? A name given to a collection of things. It may be collection of people, it may be collection of things, it may be collection of birds. So that name given to a collection, you can call it name given to a collection, is called a collective noun. Now let's write down the definition of collective noun. Continue. Yes. Definition. Definition. Now what is the definition? Yes. Collective nouns are words for collective nouns are words given to a group or collection of, yes, it is a, nouns are words. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns are words given to a group or a collection of maybe people, maybe animal, or a thing, right? Yes? Now this you have to learn it by heart, right? These are some words which you have to learn by heart. You must know them. There is no other option. There is no other option, but you have to learn them. For example, yes, what is a group of birds called? So what do we call? A group of birds. Yes, flock. A group of birds is called a flock. Now what is number 2? A group or a bunch of flowers. You can say a bunch of flowers, right? Or you can call it as a group also, right? You have many flowers together, and together we call it a bouquet. What do we call it? Bouquet. And remember the story, the apple dumpling, where the young woman had a garden, and in her garden grew the most beautiful flowers, that were the roses, the lilacs, right? Lilies. And she made a bouquet of those flowers and she handed them over to the old woman. And then the old woman took the bouquet of flowers and she moved on, and she met a young lord, and she gave that bouquet of flowers to the young lord. So what do you mean by bouquet of flowers? That means it is a bunch or a group of flowers, and we give it a special name, that is a bouquet of flowers, right? Next. Have you written it down? Yes? Waiting for you to write it? Yes, we are moving further. The next is a group of cattle. Now you see lots of cows, buffalo, sheep going together on the road. Yes, you have seen them. बहुत सारे सुबह सुबह देखते हो या शाम के समय देखते हो, जब हम कार से कहीं जाते हैं तो बहुत सारे काउज एंड बफेलोज टुगेदर जाते हैं, तो उस ग्रुप ऑफ काउज एंड बफेलोज को बोलते हैं कैटल, ठीक है? और कैटल सो अ ग्रुप ऑफ कैटल. Now what is a group of cattle called? What is a group of cattle called? Herd. H-E-R-D. Herd. Next. A bunch of a group of keys. चाबियां. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा आपकी दादी के पास, आपकी मम्मी के पास चाबियों का गुच्छा होता है. इसको हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? अ बंच ऑफ कीज. अ बंच, B-U-N-C-H, बंच. अब इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चाबियां होती हैं, केवल एक चाबी नहीं होती है, सारी चाबियां एक साथ होती हैं, एक ही छल्ले में होती हैं, एंड दैट इज नोन एज अ बंच. So what do we call it? A bunch of keys. So when Many keys come together, जब बहुत सारी चाबियां एक साथ आ जाती हैं तो हम उसे कहते हैं bunch, right? Now the next, you know fishes भी एक साथ स्विमिंग करते हैं, झुंड का झुंड निकलता है ना, तो फिशेस के झुंड को क्या बोलते हैं? A group of fishes. अब फिशेस के झुंड को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Yes, a school, right? तो देखो स्कूल आपका भी है और फिशेस का भी है ना? Okay, so a group of fishes is called a school. Now, a group of ships. Now, what do we call a group of ships? जहाजों के ग्रुप का भी एक नाम होता है, and that is called a fleet. Fleet of ships. A group of players. A group of players. Yes, group of players. आप लोग बनाते हो, छटनी करते हो, तुम मेरे ग्रुप में आ जा, तू इसके ग्रुप में चली जा, और उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Right? Getting it? Team. हाँ, मेरी टीम में आ जा, तू मेरा फ्रेंड है ना? So what do we call it? Players की क्या होती है? Team. A group of players is called a team. Now, a group of people. बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे हो गए हैं, भीड़ की भीड़. हम हिंदी में भीड़ बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में क्राउड. क्या बोलते हैं? क्राउड. CROWD. crowd. A crowd of people. What do we call it? A crowd of people. लोगों की भीड़. हिंदी में हम लोगों की भीड़ बोलते हैं ना. Same thing we call it in English as I saw a crowd of people standing on the road. The crowd of people is coming towards me. हमारे और एक भीड़ का झुंड आ रहा है, right? So that is known as a crowd of people. Now, मधुमक्खियों का छत्ता अपने स्कूल में देखा है आप लोगों ने? बहुत सारी मधुमक्खियां होती हैं. मधुमक्खियों को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Bees. A group of bees. What do we call it? A swarm. 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 So what do we call it? A swarm of bees. What do we call it? A swarm of bees. Right? And the next one is a group of ants. Now ants यानी चींटियां. चींटियों का भी झुंड देखा है ना? So what do we call it? A colony of ants. What do we call it? A colony of ants. And with this we end our collective noun, right? And our topic is complete, that is nouns, types of nouns. So what is noun? Noun is a group of, noun is a name given to anybody, person, place, animal or a thing. So noun, especially what do you mean by noun? Noun is a naming word. Simple. किसी का भी नाम एक नाउन है. चाहे किसी का भी नाम हम देखते हैं, फिर हम उसको क्लासीफाई करते हैं कि वो पर्सन है, प्लेस है, एनिमल है, थिंग है. जो भी हमको जितने भी नाम हम देखते हैं चीज़ों के, वो सब नाउन है, राइट? अब जैसे राम इज़ अ गुड बॉय. Now what is Ram? Ram is a special name. Boy, लड़का. राम एक अच्छा लड़का है. लड़का, भाई बॉयज़ को हम बॉयज़ बोलते हैं, गर्ल्स को गर्ल्स बोलते हैं, right? So boys is a common noun. It is a name given to person, right? व्यक्ति को नाम दिया गया है. So what is noun? Boy and Ram. Ram is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun, right? So nouns are classified into three parts. That is noun, three parts: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, right? We have learnt all the three: proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Collective noun is the last topic which we have learnt, and in collective noun, what is now collective noun? Collective noun is a name, a special word which is given to a group, given to a collection, right? So a group of fishes, school; a group of ships, fleet; a group of players, team; a group of people, crowd. In the same way, a group of soldiers, सैनिकों के झुंड को क्या बोलते हैं? आर्मी, right? So this is all about collective noun, and we come to an end of this chapter where we have learned the three types of nouns. Now the next topic is we are going to learn how to make these nouns singular to plural. अब ये noun है, अब ये nouns को भी हमें क्या बनाना पड़ता है? अब बॉय, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक लड़का है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? बॉय. लेकिन बहुत सारे लड़के हैं तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? बॉयज. If there is a single boy, you call him a boy. But when there are many boys, you call them boys. So what we have done is from singular, and that is known as single means एक, plural many. Correct? So from single to plural, how we are going to make it? That we are going to learn now. We have learned nouns. We have learned types of nouns. Now the thing is from single to plural, how we are going to make. And there are some rules which you have to follow from making the noun to singular and plural. And you have learned some making of nouns, but like for example, girl. Now you know how to make it plural, many. So you make it girls. Now what did you do here? What did you do here? Here there is a single girl and you have added a S. What you have did? You added an S, and this single girl became many, right? So here what did this word do? ये word अकेला था, इसको दोस्ती करना थी, इसको ज़्यादा बनना था, तो इसने क्या किया? S के साथ दोस्ती कर ली और उसको अपनी टीम में शामिल कर लिया. तो जब ये सिंगल ने इसके साथ दोस्ती करी और अपनी टीम में शामिल कर लिया, तो ये क्या बन गया? गर्ल्स, राइट? ऐसे ही हम देखेंगे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स जो S के साथ दोस्ती कर लेते हैं और अपने टीम में शामिल कर लेते हैं. लाइकवाइज कप ने भी क्या किया? S के साथ दोस्ती कर ली और कप्स बन गया. क्या बन गया? कप्स, राइट? इसी तरीके से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में सीखेंगे. वी लर्न मेनी थिंग्स इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड, एंड आई एम एंडिंग अप आवर टॉपिक विद nouns and types of nouns, and in the next period we are going to learn nouns and number, and there are certain rules which have to be followed where they make friends, they get together, sometimes they do not agree with them, उनसे नाराज़ हो जाते हैं, कट्टी कर लेते हैं, उनको भगा देते हैं अपनी टीम में से और दूसरे फ्रेंड्स को शामिल कर लेते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें we learn in the next period, right? So this is for today, and we'll be ready with noun numbers where we are going to enjoy doing this exercise on nouns and numbers. So here we are winding up, we are ending up with this topic. Hope everybody has written down this topic which we had done today and understood. Still, if you have any problem, you can contact me, call me, or you can discuss it on the group or WhatsApp or personally on the WhatsApp. Okay? So here we are ending up. Bye bye students.